I'm out here in the Shakespeare Street garden to harvest some edible flowers. I can do that because this, like all of my ornamental gardens, is organic. So, and I have several edible flowers in here. I have two kinds of lavender, this big stand over here, and then a darker one down there. I think that's a Munstead. So I'll be picking some of those. And also, for the first time, I'm gonna harvest some of the milkweed too. I want to try making something with the fresher blooms on here. And then of course, some rose petals. A lot of these are already too far gone, so I'll just be deadheading those. But, and the rest I'm gonna probably just dry. I don't know if I'll have more to use on Saturday. However, I do have a scented geranium that's in bloom. So I hope to bring that in and we can work on crystallizing some of these beautiful flowers. I also have several daylilies, both yellow and orange. I'm not going to harvest them today, but I will bring some in Saturday. They'll be fun to stuff with something like an amaranth dip. My monarda, another edible flower, most of them have already dropped their petals, but I'll grab what I can today. Maybe put it in ice cubes. I'll also pick what bachelor's buttons I have, and there's plenty of borage throughout my garden.